Hello, trading is closed on July 15th, 2021. Let's start with our disclaimer as we always do. So my plan for tomorrow, Friday, July 16th, 2021. I can be completely wrong and all trades should be at your own risk. Look for the pattern with the early low. This is it. Normally it's a bullish day. When there's early weakness and it's negative, instead it should lead to more weakness. We've been looking for a drop for some time. These price targets from the 9th of July finally printed, 43.60.08. Note how we closed essentially right on that price, so that's a close of resistance. And also 43.51.81. We have an optional target for tomorrow, 43.67.03. It'll print 95% of the time, but this one might not work. When you're close to all-time highs, these higher targets don't always print, and optional targets don't really have to print anyway, they just do. And if it doesn't print by tomorrow, I just forget it. Here was the ultimate sell signal early on. MEJT said this drop was false and price would retrace, and that's already happened. This remains a plausible count, with this being a very major high. We've been saying for the last few days, technical condition of the market has been deteriorating and nothing has really changed. We have mixed signals for tomorrow. It's positive. We gapped down, hit a lower low, closed over all the lows. There's also the higher MEJT target. Just remember, it doesn't always print. But it is negative. Today's normally bullish pattern closed down. The late high was under the early high. And when there's early weakness in this pattern, there's just about always more weakness, and almost always you don't have to delay very much. So there's a good chance we gap outside the range, or else wait a day and then move outside the range. And even if we move up tomorrow, I think lower prices are coming. This is a very negative picture because of breadth in the wave count, and it's possible that yesterday's high is going to stick around a while until some prior lows fall. You can't be certain. I'm not certain, but it certainly is a reasonable candidate. Tomorrow has the early low. Good chance we gap under this low, even though it's not required. And that's today's call.